This was the end of the whole Bonnie Prince Charlie shortbread tin bit of Scotland, you know. He had come to Scotland for 8 years when he was born. See, Bonnie Prince Charlie was a wee Italian person, a small, effeminate Italian man. A gay Italian. Wanted to be king of Scotland, you know what? And you know the way he was Italian.
Would you want to be married to this?
Unless his body was that way, he must have been a wee tiny. And if you see him, you know, in the kitchen, it's obviously a very effeminate dwarf. He lived in a wee shortbread tin. You know these? You seen him in the shortbread tin, right? Actual size! He'd arrived in the Outer Hebrides there, got himself together an army of followers, supposedly to regain the throne for, you know, to which he thought he was entitled. He was a young pretender. He arrives on the west coast of Scotland, all these big hairy Scottish Jacobites, the west coast, these big hairy Scottish guys with a beard coming out the eyes. You know, those beards.